to make money on eBay with no investment, no experience, and no physical product. Start by going to eBay and opening an account. Personal or business account is available, or sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple account. With a new account you may get 10 free listing. By selling more and more it may increase to 200 free listing. So there is no investment on listing. Stand out from the crowd by selling custom website design service. There is a link below for a free website template, and watch my video on how to create a free WordPress website with no experience, no investment, and free hosting on how to install this template with no experience. Offer free hosting with your website design. Sell digital products like website templates or ebooks. Or, why not try selling traffic to websites in need of a boost? The sky's the limit with digital products. Start boosting your income today.